Hello everybody! Look what I got for myself! Huh? What do you think? As you may know, a fidget spinner spins, just like that. But, have you ever thought of using a fidget spinner for something else? That is why, in today's video, I am going to show you many different ways to use a fidget spinner. You could put it on a table and spin it on the table. You can put it on the floor and spin it on the floor. You could also dance with a fidget spinner. You could also record a slow motion video with your phone. You could also balance it on your thumb. You could also make a sculpture out of it. You could also use it to create art. Okay, maybe not. You could also use a fidget cube to add more to the fun. You could also put a lock on the fidget spinner. Just like that. All right. Uh-oh. I can't spin it. Oh no. Oh no, why did I do that? Oh no! I can't get the lock off! Oh no! No! Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Alright, I gotta get this lock off of my fidget spinner. Why aren't these scissors working? Oh, come on!